That's a very pertinent question. Yes, there is a deficit of good teachers, and by that I say very often the teaching profession is chosen as a profession of convenience. It's very simple to see that you find that the fraternity has a lot of who are part of the guild, and I would say that should not be the only reason. We should have other reasons why teachers are in the profession, and how we can improve on that is probably improving the status of teachers, empowering teachers, giving them a better standing in society. So it begins with at the implementation level. We've got to re-understand the role that a teacher plays and that education plays in creating a society that is abreast with the changes that are happening in the world. We no more need teachers who are trained and certified and who have forgotten what is really happening in the current world. You need global teachers. You need teachers who are aware of what's happening. Trends are changing by the day. So if you are, it does not matter. It no more. You can't say that you're a teacher from the rural setup or a teacher from the urban setup. You have to match the requirements. Of course, rural needs are different, urban needs are different, but I would think the desire to be part of a good fraternity should be compelling, and it should, I would say it should engage people with who are good to gravitate to this profession. The best brains, I would say the best brains should be in the teaching profession, because that's potential, for creating a good society for the future. So with respect to what changes could take place, maybe remuneration. If when I was teaching at high school, I realized that when we take those vocational training for our students, the questions that they ask us is, ma'am, which are the jobs that pay well? So they, even when they're children, they know what they're looking forward to. And very often it is these kind of things that compel them to follow a path. So why not? Why not create a setup that allows people who are good to come to this profession, and not, very often what you see is those who don't get anywhere else become a teacher. When your doors are closed elsewhere, it becomes a profession of convenience. But I think it should be the other way around. You should be here because you're passionate about teaching, and because you realize that your role is immense. And I've been in it, and I'm so very happy to be part of this profession, though I would say I'm here by divine design and not by choice. But now that I'm in, I don't think I would quit it for any considerations in the world.